I picked the wrong field somehow, being a real judge.
Right.
But anyway, we're getting started on this motion to compel. If you guys want to get started,
Sounds good to me, Judge.
you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I think this is very straightforward. Post-judgment discovery, not one single thing I've asked for is objectionable. Standard post-judgment discovery. The defendant answered what he wanted to, didn't answer what he didn't want to, objected to quite a few things, failed to respond as required by the rules, i.e. after a diligent search, no documents have been found. I set forth several instances where he provided partial information, and the response that was filed last week was, I did my best and I've moved out of the country, so too bad. We are asking the court for an order compelling answers to our discovery, production of documents, compliance with the rules, and if the defendant is out of the country and can't be bothered to comply with that court's order, we'll deal with that at that time, but there's no basis for any of the objections asserted.
Response?
Your Honor, my client produced documents that he had in his possession that were responsive to the request. In addition to that, there was a second set of post-judgment requests for production, and we responded to those as well with additional documents, including the documents that he got from his personal accountant. He answered the interrogatories to the best of his ability, and plaintiff is correct that our client no longer lives in the United States. We've also filed a declaration with our reply or response that says that he's no longer in the United States. He also doesn't own anything in the United States, doesn't have access to any cash, vehicles, homes. He's not in possession of anything in the United States. He's produced everything that he has.
Court's going to grant the motion to compel, order all documents to be produced within the next 2 weeks.
I don't believe we filed an order, Judge. I'll get that over to you today.
Make sure that on the order, Mr. Gibson, that it says that this was heard on January 31st, 2022, and that you share it with Miss, how do you say your name, ma'am? Gogol, Miss Gogol, and that you email it to Rhonda, my court coordinator, as well as e-filing the order.
Absolutely.
Thank you, guys. You guys be safe, okay?
Take care.
All right. Bye-bye.
All right, so you need to know, oh, hold on.
Yeah. Don't start bad-mouthing the judge yet, Mr. Gibson.
I'll do that in the morning. Take care, Judge.
Bye-bye.